my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be recreating this look that I created on my Instagram live. Literally the day after my birthday, I was going out for some birthday celebrations with my friends, and yeah, I decided to create this on Instagram live, and obviously I'm gonna film it for you guys who didn't watch the Instagram live. And yeah, I kind of gathered some inspiration from Mama Mitchell and Nikki Tutorials because I watched their video that morning with like the KKW new Mario palette, and I was like, oh my god, I'm really inspired by that bronzy eye and like the blue lower lash line. Obviously this is kind of my take on it, so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this look. If you guys don't have the products that I'm using in this video, please feel free to use whatever products you have at home. You guys can definitely adjust and just use whatever is at your disposal. So yeah, you guys can also create this for graduation or a wedding or whatever. I found that this lip was like very like purpley greyish sort of vibes, which is like very autumnal. So yeah, I kind of really like the autumnal colors going on my face right now. So yeah, the lighting is changing big time. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation done off of camera. I'm actually testing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation today, so you might see this. The way the heart does have just been flourishing today in my videos. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's so like distracting for me. So yeah, anyway, I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Bronze on my face, and you guys may see that video before or after this one. If it's after or before this one, I'll leave it up in the cards. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Peach, and I'm just gonna be highlighting the usual parts of my face. I feel like you guys should already know the song by now. I'm just gonna go in with my LA Girl Yellow Corrector and just add a little bit more of like a brightening effect just in these areas right here. And then taking my Holy Grail Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to be baking all the areas that I have highlighted. If you guys don't have excessive creasing under your under eye area, then you definitely don't have to bake. But if I don't bake, I have such a prominent line under my eye, it's going to crease. Like, it is going to crease. And also I have an expression line right here. One day I'll get Botox. And I'm just going to bake that as well, and also just the center of my face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Times Morphe palette. So I'm taking Puta and I'm going to be dusting this all the way from inner corner to outer corner of my eye. I kind of just dispense the color on the outer corner of the eye, just so that there's not too much product on the brush and there's not too much product in the crease, and everything just blends seamlessly. I'm also going to take this shade lightly on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the shade Buns and just deepening up the outer corner of the eye. Taking the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to start working that on the outer corner of my eye and also on the inner corner of my eye, kind of just blending it into the crease as well. And I'm going to be picking up the shade Chip on a more precise brush, and I'm just going to start packing that on the inner and outer corners of my eye. And also lightly blending it into the crease. Taking my MAC Select Cover Up in the shade NC42, and I'm just going to be cutting a halo cut crease situation on my lid. Taking the shade Meeks, and I'm just going to pack this all over the center of the lid. And then taking the shade Hustle, and I'm gonna put that right on the center of the lid. And then taking the shade Obsessed and putting that right on the center of the lid. And then taking my blending brush, just making sure everything is nicely blending. And then taking my NYX liquid crystal liner in the shade Crystal Silk, I'm just gonna be defining the halo cut crease. Going in with the shade Twerk, and I'm just going to be packing this on my lower lash line with a small precise brush. And then taking some of my Inglot gel liner in the number 77, and I'm just going to be lining my lower waterline. Going in with my Benefit The Real mascara, and I'm just going to be applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. To highlight my inner tear ducts, I'm going to take the shade Beam, and then using the shade in Light to highlight my brow bone. Moving back onto the face to bronze, I'm just going to be using my Benefit Hoola. For contour, I'm going to be using my LA Girl pressed powder in the shade Cocoa. And also I'm using my Switch Beauty G31 contour brush. Then taking my Revlon Sultry Sienna blush and adding some color to my cheeks. For highlight, I'm first going to be taking my Jouer Citrine. To amplify this glow, I'm going to be using my Tassy B Limelight powder in the shade Gypsy. Let us just take a moment. I'm going to go in with my Kiki Beauty Cool Citrus Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to be taking my Essence Purple Lip Liner. This is in the shade Miss You. And then taking my MAC Retro Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Cafe Au Chic. And I'm just going to apply this to my lips and also blend it into that purple lip liner. And that is pretty much it for this look. Now, I wore my Beauty by Benazir lashes on that day, but today I'm going to be using Tassy B Beauty Leo lashes, and I'm just going to go do that off of camera and I'll be right back. So that is pretty much it for this makeup slay that I wore for my birthday celebrations. I had so much of fun. I actually didn't wear makeup on my actual birthday because I was just with family and friends. So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this look, and yeah, don't forget to slay all day every day with Autumnal makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!